Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set Dstv FTA channels on your Redline decoder. That's an FTA decoder. So Dstv is a pay-to-view channels or the pay-to-view company, which means that you'll not get access to their channels, but whenever you perform a blind scan you have some few FTA channels on it. So if that's what you are looking for, or you are trying to use the Redline decoder to track for the Dstv signal, and then you use the Dstv decoder, you do the settings, and then you activate the channels on it. You can use this video and then pass through the process on how you want to use this decoder, set up the frequency on it to track, monitor, and then get your Dstv installation going. So all you got to do is to pick up your Redline decoder remote and you press on the menu button on the remote, and from the menu here use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. So installation, and then you press OK on it, and here you have to confirm with the default code on the decoder. If no one have ever changed it, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you type in 0000 and it's gonna open up. So from the installation page, that's where you need to do the necessary settings to get a Dstv signal and then the channels as well. So we have the antenna setting, satellite list, transponder list, motor setting, DVB, TC, and the DVB is for the terrestrial or the digital channel setting. So you need to come to the antenna settings and then you press OK on it. And on this page we have the satellite. So when it comes to the satellites, we have some satellite footage that have been programmed or listed on the decoder, and the Dstv satellite is Eurotelsat 36E, 36B or 36C on the 36 degrees on the east. So you can look through the list. If it's available, then you select the satellite, but if you can't find it, you can select any different satellite folder. Even if it's on it, you can choose to select different satellite folder, and then you add the frequency, use it to track, and you are good to go. So you look for the Dstv satellite, which is the E36C or B on the 36 degrees. So that's the number 17th over here. You select it, and after selecting the satellite, every setting over here you need to leave it as it is. That's the right settings for you to complete your installation. The next thing that you need to look out is the transponder. You have to change the transponder. When it comes to the dissect, here you are not doing multiple LNB installations, so the dissect have to remain the same with the default setting. So you come to the transponder. Here you can search through the list if the Dstv default transponder is already being installed in it, which is 12245 horizontal to 7500. If it's not in, all you got to do is to save or to add it on it. So here is it, this the particular TP. Whenever you use it, and then you track to get at least 50 or 60% of the signal quality, you are likely to get all the Dstv channels working. So make sure you get enough of the signal quality, not less than 60%. So you select the RTP, and I'm already having a stable signal from the satellite dish. So if it happens to be that on your decoder you select a different satellite, let's say you select a different satellite folder, you select the satellite here, or Arabsat or any other satellite. Alright, let's select this satellite with Astra 3B. After selecting all the Dstv satellites and you are not seeing the transponder, which is a Dstv default transponder in it, which will allow you to track and then get it easier, you have to add. And on this page you can't add, so all you got to do is to go back to the installation page. You come down to the transponder list, you press OK on it, and on this page that's where you can have the add command to actually add. So when you look down below, you have some command with some indicator over there: red to add, green to edit, yellow to delete, and then blue to scan. So all you got to do is to press on the red button on your remote for the add menu to pop up. And the next thing is to add a DSTV default frequency. So we have 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 7, 5, 0, 0. So if it happens to be that you did not select a DSTV and the polarity is horizontal, you save it and then you highlight it like this, and the quality is supposed to change for you to know that you're having a stable signal from the satellite dish. And if it's a new satellite dish that you are trying to track to get a signal, after highlighting this like this, all you got to do is to go to the satellite dish, rotate it, you turn it around to get your signal, and you are good to go. So from here you go back to the satellite or the antenna settings page. You select your right satellite, which you add the TP in it, or the DSTV exact satellite, which have the default TP in it, and you proceed to scan. So here you select the default frequency, which is this one, and you come down here, you select the blue, press on the blue button, that's the scan command for it to open up, and then you change the scan type to blind and have the channel type to leave it as all. You can select the FTA, TV, or FT only, just to eliminate all those channels that will come along with a dollar sign. And note that almost all the DSTV channels will be locked, only few channels will be unlocked. So if this is what you want, you select the FTA only and you proceed. So you press OK and then you wait for it to actually complete for you to get the channels that will come along after scanning. So if you have watched this video up to this far and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming for more. So you need to wait for it to complete scanning, and then you get access to your channels. Bless up.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. to town, from London to Taiwan.